some people have reported that they feel nauseated or have an upset stomach after taking the daily minerals. What should they do about that?
So I would stop taking the full daily dose, and I would start to just maybe take a quarter dose for a few days, then a half dose, and work your way up. This same thing happens for many people when they adopt a nutrient-dense, proper human diet. They're not used to getting that much nutrition at one time, and they interpret that for a few days as, I feel kind of nauseated. Or for people who have been just chronically portion controlling, calorie restricting for decades, when they allow themselves to eat to satiety, eat till they're comfortably stuffed, that can be interpreted as nausea for a few days until your gut says, oh no, wait, we're actually eating properly now. And the food is very nutrient dense. Those are all good things. I'm going to stop sending that signal. And I think the same thing happens with the mineral drops. As soon as your body realizes, just like the chickens do, oh no, well, this is good stuff. I need this. Then all of a sudden, that mild nausea goes away, and you start, if anything, to have a craving